In this video, I want to show you how to draw cyclopropylcyclopentane. So, as you see here, because we have cyclopentane, it belongs to cycloalkane family, and we have only one branch, which is also a cyclic compound, which is cyclopropyl. So, the main one is cyclopentane, and it has 5 carbon atoms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. So then we have something like here, cyclopropyl, it will be something like this. So what we have cyclopropyl, cyclopentane. Yeah, that's it. So how many carbon atoms we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So C8 H16. That's how we need to do that. If someone say so it's cycloalkane, it has to be like that. But we need to have C8 H16. Yeah, that's correct. That will be the drawing of this cyclopropyl cyclopentane.